Hi, I'm here with Tina and Andy at Blue Elephant in China, just on my second visit to inspect a CNC machine that we visited and had a look back in February. The purpose of this visit was to inspect the final product, which we're very happy with, and also the engineering and the support that we've had whilst we've been here in China. I'd just like to thank Tina and Andy from Blue Elephant for their support and would recommend their machines and also dealing with them. Once again, Adam from Australia. Look out for Pioneer Industrial Plastics.